Now welcome back. The 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter needs outer tie rod ends. We're just going to go through, pretty simple job, and just replace these. You should get an alignment done, or at least get it checked when you're done. You can put it close, but you need to get it checked to make sure you don't tear your tires up.
Got a little bit of wind out today. I'm outside because I've got something in the garage that I can't move. Got the wheel off, but just took the wheel side to side. I can do it without the wheel on there. Watch this joint. See how the bottom's moving? You hear it. That's not really the rotor. Top's not moving, bottom. This outer tie rod end is wasted. So we're gonna replace it. Make that a little easier to see. You see this is wasted. This boot is completely destroyed. That's probably why it's bad. It's probably got dirt in there and just tore it up. Let's see what you're seeing here. Can't see a stinking thing because it's so sunny out. But I think you're where you need to be. I believe this is a 19 millimeter. We're going to cotter pin off of it. There we go. Okay, cotter pin's out. That's loose. Gotta break that. Alright, 7/8, 22 millimeter. Should be what this is. We'll break this loose. Decide the angle I want here. Goes. Just break it loose. Now, hit what it goes through. I'm going to take this off. Rest of the way. Hit what it goes through, meaning hit the spindle. Count the revolutions coming off. So we'll just count. 2, 3, 4. 18.5, about. Well, you can see it's just destroyed. Got a lot of play. I don't know if you can hear that. I can push it in and out the inside. Just full of dirt. Inner feels good. No play in the inner at all, which I'm happy about. I like greasable fittings for suspension stuff. Whenever I can get them, that's what I'm going to use. So let me just start the Zerk on this, and we'll go tighten that up. They're about 18.5 about, so we'll start it this way. Half. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be it right there. Line it back up. There we go. Get my tassel nut. I think this one's a 17 millimeter. Now, I read all kinds of different values, but I think it's around 47 for this. 47 foot-pounds. Okay, 47 foot-pounds, right? That's what I said. $17 millimeter. Now I have to cut it a little more. I have to see where the hole is. Can't see. Where is that hole? I'm smart. I would have checked it before I stuck it in there so I knew where it was. Oh, I don't know. Oh, it's over there. I gotta go a little tighter. Line it up. You don't want to back it off. You want to go a little tighter. You got that much? Yep, I think so. Cotter pin are smart. I try to line these holes up before I do this, so it makes it easier to get a hold of them. And there's a long side to the cotter pin. I always put that away from the joint so I can grab it easier and bend it down. See if I got this lined up right or not. We'll see. Not quite. Come on, that's the cotter pin that came with it. That's the cotter pin that came with it. Probably off just a tiny bit. Castle probably not completely lined up, doesn't matter. It'll work fine. Alright. I don't know why it's such a big, man, they get a big cotter pin for this thing. I don't know why, but they do. It's good. Won't go anywhere. Now, spin this nut back. Should tighten it up. Couldn't get a reading on it. I don't think there's they publish a torque spec for you. Just tighten it up. Okay. Grease my fitting. Greased. That's it. Pretty simple. I'm going to go around and check the other side, see if that needs one, because I think that needs one as well. But outer tie rod end on a 06 Nissan Altima. It's definitely bad. Now it'll be much better. Get your alignment checked. After you do these, you should get an alignment. At least get it checked to make sure that you're in alignment so you don't tear your tires up.